Today, we proudly present our Youth Leadership Program project, Waste to Watts. Our project is based on one powerful idea: turning waste into energy through science, innovation, and sustainability. As the world faces challenges like pollution, climate change, and increasing waste, we wanted to explore how creative scientific solutions can help build a cleaner and better future. Through teamwork, research, and experimentation, we discovered that even everyday waste can become a valuable source of electricity. This project consists of 3 exciting parts: generating electricity from biogas, sweat, and bacteria threads.
DHM's Sophia and Mary Jane, teachers and dear friends. Today, we are honored to present our youth leadership project titled Watts from Waste. This project focuses on how waste materials and natural processes can be transformed into electrical energy. With increasing energy demands and environmental challenges, it is important for us to explore cleaner and more sustainable alternatives.
Electricity is an essential part of our daily life to lighting our homes and powering devices. However, traditional energy sources such as fossil fuels cause pollution into a limited supply.
Through our research, we explore 3 innovative methods to generate electricity: from biogas, human sustained and biothread. Let us now begin our discussion with first research topic. Segment 1: Electricity from biogas. In the question panel, we have Minsa, Habiba, and Maria. In the research panel, we have Karma, Amazar, and Isha Khan.
My first question is for Tanya. What is biogas and how is it produced?
Thank you for that question. Biogas is a renewable source of energy that is produced from organic waste. Materials such as food scraps, animal manure, agricultural waste, and vegan seeds. When these materials are collected and put into a single container called a biogas digester, microorganisms break them down in the absence of oxygen. This is known as anaerobic digestion. During this process, gases such as methane and carbon dioxide are released. Methane is the most important component because it's highly flammable and can be used as well. This does not only produce energy but helps in managing waste effectively, reducing the amount of garbage in landfills. Thank you.
Amazar, how can biogas be used to generate electricity? Great question. Biogas can be used to generate electricity by burning it as a fuel. When burned, it produces heat energy. This heat can be used to boil water, which creates a steam. The steam spins turbines, which are connected to generators. The generators convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. In addition, biogas can also be used directly in gas engines. This makes it more a flexible and efficient energy source. Thank you.
Vishal Khan, what are the advantages of using biogas?
That's a very interesting question. Biogas has several important advantages. Firstly, it is a renewable energy source because it is made from waste that is continuously produced. Secondly, it reduces environmental pollution by converting waste into useful energy instead of allowing it to decay and produce harmful gases. Another key benefit is that it reduces greenhouse gas emissions, especially methane, which is a major contributor to global warming. Additionally, the leftover material from biogas production is used as a natural fertilizer, which improves soil quality. Therefore, biogas supports both energy production and sustainable agriculture. Thank you.
Can this method be used only in homes or in industries?
Biogas can be used at different levels. Small biogas digesters can be used at homes, especially in rural areas, where families can use kitchen waste and animal manure for cooking and lighting. On a larger scale, industries and farms use bigger biogas plants to generate electricity for entire communities. This shows biogas is a versatile solution that can adapt to different needs and environments. I hope your doubt is cleared.
Our journey begins with biogas energy. First, we present our panel discussion. followed by our biogas model presentation and PowerPoint slides. In this section, we explain how organic waste such as food scraps and biodegradable materials produce biogas during decomposition. This gas can then be converted into electricity, reducing waste while creating renewable energy. This idea shows how simple household waste can become a sustainable solution for the future.
Segment 2, electricity from sweat. In the question panel, we have Umar, Yusuf, and Umiham. In the research panel, we have Aslan, Ziris, Nafia.
My question is for us. How can sweat generate electricity?
That's a beautiful question. Sweat generates electricity because it contains various chemicals, especially salts, such as sodium and potassium. Scientists have developed special devices called biofuel cells, which collect them and turn them into clean renewable energy. When a person sweats, those devices collect the sweat and uses chemical reactions to turn them into clean renewable energy. Although the energy produced is small, it can be enough to light up small electronic devices such as LEDs. Thank you, and I hope you understand.
Maurice, where can this technology be used?
That's an exciting question. This technology is mainly used in wearable devices. Some examples are fitness trackers, heart monitoring devices, and smartwatches. Can be powered from electricity generated from sweat. It is especially useful in medical fields where small sensors need continuous power to generate to monitor patients' health, such as heart rate and glucose levels. This technology can reduce the need of batteries, making devices eco-friendlier and more convenient. Thank you.
Afia, what are the benefits of using sweat as an energy source? Great question. Using sweat as an energy source has many benefits. Firstly, it is completely renewable because the human body does not produce sweat naturally during physical activity. Secondly, it is environmentally friendly as it does not involve using harmful fuels, harmful emissions, and producing fuels. Another advantage is that it promotes energy efficiency by using energy that would otherwise go to waste. It also supports innovation in wearable technology, making devices lighter and more sustainable. Thank you.
Is this technology widely used today?
Currently, this technology is still in the research and development stage, although it's not widely used yet. Scientists are working to improve its efficiency, and it has a great potential for the future, especially in sustainable fields and smart technology. Thank you.
Next, our presentation shifts to sweat-powered electricity. We explored how sweat from the human body contains natural chemicals that can help generate small amounts of electrical energy. This innovative concept could one day support wearable technology, smart devices, and health monitoring systems in an environmentally friendly way.
Also called as biogas. So basically, we also use
This is organic waste.
It is organic waste for them. It's the main part for us. It's side. So you see, with the organic waste, it's old, so you can't see it. But we have mixed these little cubes. They are the bacteria. And then
So how did you collect the bacteria?
we had to make it. And this
How
is
did you make the bacteria?
It's very hard. That was our first challenge to make it. The materials were very hard to find. We had to find a petri dish. We had to find a powder called agar. We had to let it stay there.
Agar is easy to find. But petri dish was. Then?
So we had to put it there, and then we had to let it sit for an hour, and then it would be like jelly. And then we had to take cotton buds. We had to rub it on places, and then we put it there. And when after I think 7 days, it turned into bacteria. Then we had to take it off. We had to cut it into small cubes, and then inside it. Now here the electricity travels here. Then it goes to the bulb. So you see, electricity. Now, we have a lot of challenges. One thing you might not see is this graphite rod.
I can see it.
Yeah, graphite rod.
So it connects with the copper wire. The graphite rod takes the energy and electricity from the organic waste, and then it, using the copper wire, it travels here, and then from here the light gets. Yes.
Okay, yeah. So Biothread works through like small interactions, like the interactions with like physical activities. Like sometimes it works through sensors and sometimes through physical activities. We used the sensors one since it was easy. Okay, like the sensor, this bacteria, it stores the energy, and then like when we press it like generates the electricity. And the SDGs that are used are like, for example, the SDGs are important for UN goals. Like, for example, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, and life below water and on land, and some of the SDGs.
So, and it's really connected to the Qatar National Vision, especially the environmental pillar, because as the 2030 vision states that we want our country to be really environment friendly. Like fossil fuels, they're traditional. If we develop this, we don't need to use them because fossil fuels are limited and they harm the environment by greenhouse gases. Secondly, I think it does also support the economical pillar, because
Of course it does.
it does
Because you're not using the fuel anymore.
yeah, fuel is pretty expensive.
Yeah, right now all the more.
Have you tried the bio-thread, the thread for creating this specimen, or is it like some challenge for you to find one?
It's a challenge. For us, you can see we face the most challenges, I think, because the graphite rod, there's only one place in the world to sort of find it. Somehow eats it. And that's why, in conclusion, I think bio-thread is the best. And
Finally, we move to our third concept, bacteria thread technology. Certain bacteria have the ability to transfer electrons and produce electricity naturally. Through this model, we learned how microscopic organisms may become an important part of future renewable energy systems. We were also inspired by the innovative thinking encouraged by our respected headmistress and deputy headmistresses.
You are going to learn a lot of new things, and it's going to build up. So utilize these, work on these projects, make them working models. So you can use these as your researches, as your science fair projects for next year, because these, what I'm seeing, are excellent thoughts. Excellent thoughts. But you are the best people to work further on these things. Make your teams work further, get the things that are not there. Ask your teachers, they're all going for their vacations in their home countries. You can get it in your home countries, whichever countries you are coming from. I'm sure you'll be getting something. Keep these in your mind and keep working on it.
Their support motivated us to think creatively, solve real-world problems, and believe that young minds can create meaningful change. Our project connects strongly with Qatar National Vision 2030 by promoting sustainability, environmental development, and innovation for a greener future. It also supports the United Nations, especially goals related to clean energy, climate action, responsible consumption, and sustainable communities. Through Waste to Watts, we learned that science is not just about discovery. It is about creating solutions that can help people, protect the environment, and shape a better future. This project was only possible because of the dedication and teamwork of our entire Year 5A class. Every student contributed ideas, creativity, research, models, and presentations. Our class teachers guided and encouraged us throughout every step of the process, helping us turn our ideas into reality. Thank you for watching our presentation.